Imagine a charcoal grill that combines traditional grilling with modern convenience, allowing you to enjoy the best of both worlds. This Weber Performer charcoal grill, 22-inch, black, is designed to elevate your grilling experience, making it easier, more enjoyable, and incredibly satisfying. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just starting, this grill has the features and performance to make every cookout a success. Why you should buy the Weber Performer charcoal grill. Durable and stylish design, built to last with high-quality materials and practical features. Versatile cooking options, hinged cooking grate compatible with GBS inserts for diverse grilling possibilities. Convenient and user-friendly, features like the tuck-away lid holder, tool hooks, and built-in thermometer enhance the grilling experience. Easy maintenance. The one-touch cleaning system simplifies post-grill cleanup. The Weber Performer charcoal grill stands out with its robust design and practical features that cater to both convenience and performance. The grill's dimensions 43.5 inches high, 42 inches wide, and 29 inches deep with the lid closed provide a spacious cooking area of 363 square inches, large enough to hold up to 13 burgers made with a Weber burger press. The high-quality materials, including an aluminized steel one-touch cleaning system, ensure durability and longevity. One of the standout features of this grill is the tuck-away lid holder, which allows you to slide the lid into a convenient holder on the side of the grill. This keeps the lid off the ground and out of the way, making your grilling experience cleaner and safer. The built-in work table is another practical addition, providing ample space for food prep and serving. Performance is where the Weber Performer truly shines. The hinged cooking grate is compatible with the Gourmet BBQ System GBS inserts, allowing you to add charcoal with ease and experiment with different cooking methods. Whether you're searing steaks, grilling burgers, or slow cooking ribs, the Performer delivers consistent heat and exceptional results. The built-in lid thermometer is an invaluable tool for monitoring the internal temperature of your grill. This feature helps you maintain precise control over your cooking, ensuring perfectly grilled meals every time. The infinite control burner valve settings further enhance your ability to fine-tune the heat to your desired level. Weber has packed the Performer with features that make grilling more convenient and enjoyable. The tool hooks are a simple yet effective addition, providing a place to hang your spatulas, tongs, and other grilling tools. This keeps your workspace organized and your tools within easy reach. The aluminized steel one-touch cleaning system makes cleanup a breeze. By simply swiping the ash and debris into the high-capacity, removable ash catcher, you can quickly and easily clean up after grilling. This hassle-free maintenance ensures that you spend more time enjoying your food and less time cleaning. Despite its substantial build, the Weber Performer is designed for ease of use. The grill's wheels make it easy to move around your yard or patio, allowing you to position it wherever you like. This mobility is particularly useful for those who enjoy flexible outdoor cooking setups. The grill comes with 3D interactive assembly instructions available through the free built app, making setup straightforward and stress-free. This attention to user-friendly design underscores Weber's commitment to providing a superior grilling experience from start to finish. In summary, the Weber Performer Charcoal Grill is a versatile, high-performing grill that combines traditional charcoal grilling with modern conveniences. Its thoughtful design, robust construction, and user-friendly features make it a top choice for anyone serious about grilling. Whether you're preparing a casual weeknight dinner or hosting a weekend cookout, the Weber Performer Charcoal Grill is equipped to handle all your grilling needs. Its powerful performance, convenience features, and stylish design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone who loves to grill. Take your outdoor cooking to the next level and enjoy perfectly grilled meals every time with the Weber Performer. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.